Welcome to A. Shah's IS Institute. Let's take a look at current affairs. It's uploaded daily on our website www.aashah.com. This video will discuss the current affairs news for today, 4th October 2016. The news are picked up from the newspaper The Hindu. The 10 items which we have picked up from today's newspaper are these. BSF foils Uri-style attack in Baramulla, but militants have fled. There was one casualty too. Karnataka starts release of water, ends defiance of Supreme Court. Karnataka had all party meet had decided that they will not accept Supreme Court's order of releasing water, Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu. Now presently, after another hearing in the Supreme Court, when Supreme Court put a strict warning on them, Karnataka has now decided that it will accept and follow the Supreme Court order. So it has started releasing water now. Supreme Court can't intervene, says Centre. This is again related to the Kaveri water dispute. The Kaveri dispute is between the riparian states, majorly Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, though Kerala and Pondicherry are also involved. Karnataka is the upper riparian state, water flows through Tamil Nadu. After that, Interstate Water Dispute Tribunal was set up. That was Kaveri Water Dispute Tribunal. This tribunal had given its award, its decision, which was requiring the centre to set up Kaveri Management Board. Now the Supreme Court has said that the centre should fulfill this thing under the Kaveri dispute verdict, which was in 2009. Until date it has not been done. So when the Supreme Court asked the centre to take action on it, centre said yes, we will look into it. By October 6 it had to give its response, and now centre has done a U-turn and now it says that Supreme Court has no jurisdiction under this, because actually under the tribunals it is said that the tribunal's decision is final and that there cannot be any reconsideration on that. But Supreme Court accepts such decisions also before it, tribunal awards also before it, under the special leave petition, SLP, which is the supermost supreme power which Supreme Court has to accept any petition in front of it. So that is there. So that is again a dispute, judiciary and executive dispute which is emerging here. It will be followed further, we'll have to see. The next news item is Centre accepts pay panel recommendation on promotion. So for promotion, the 6th pay commission had recommended some suggestions for career in promotions in career. So there are fixed promotion dues in careers. So now the centre has accepted those recommendations. We'll look in detail. Next news is on NGT, National Green Tribunal. It has asked states to respond on the crop burning. Crop burning is the agricultural waste burning which many northern states farmers indulge in majorly. So the National Green Tribunal has called for penalization of this. Many states have given their resolutions or released resolutions providing implementation of the NGT order, but yet in implementation there is a lacuna. So now NGT is calling states answerable. What have they done in this matter? The next news item, 6th one, is Spectrum Auction Day 2, no bidding in premium 700 MHz band. We saw Spectrum Auction Day 1, 2, the telecom spectrum band allocation bidding is going on right now. Major players, Reliance, Jio, Airtel, Vodafone are all in the bid. What has happened is the 700 MHz spectrum is the spectrum which will allow for the super speed broadband connectivity. So in this spectrum, no allocation has been done because it is said that it is overpriced. So there has been no allocation here. So that is the thing which is discussed here. The 7th news item, Reliance Group gets an edge in defense play. This is regarding Reliance already having a joint venture with Dassault. The Dassault is the French company with whom we signed an agreement. Centre signed an agreement on buying Rafale. If you remember, Rafale multi-role combat aircraft. This was a recently finalized deal. So in this deal, there is an offset clause. So offset clause requires that at least 50% of procurements for this Rafale aircraft would be done from domestic firms. So in this domestic firm clause requirement, Reliance will have an edge because Reliance has entered into a joint venture with Dassault, the group which builds the Rafale aircraft. So that is there. But then it is said that the offset clause 50% requirement is too huge because it's a costly deal. So of course other small and medium enterprises will also get an opportunity in this offset clause. Then next news item, the eighth one we saw yesterday too. The South American country, the president has got into a deal with FARC, that is a terrorist organization there in force. But now it has decided to give up arms. The government is signing a peace deal with it. The negotiations had been going on for 4 years. Cuba was the mediator in this deal. And now the FARC deal, the president put it on referendum, though he was not required to do that under the law of the land, but he decided to ask the people for their suggestions, because it was there were some concessions being made to these former militants. So whether the people accept this or not was put to vote, and the people have rejected this peace deal. So that is the news which has come up. The ninth news item is about Vladimir Putin. The Russian president has declared that Russia will scrap the plutonium disposal deal. So this is the deal between Russia and USA. So seeing the soaring of relations between the two countries, Russia has now decided that it will no longer continue with plutonium disposal deal. So this is an important deal for nuclear disarmament. It's road to nuclear disarmament. The START treaty, Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty, which was signed between US and Russia, which was extended to New START. So that all will suffer, because now Putin is talking of scrapping a part of this deal, the plutonium disposal deal. And the last news item is about Nobel Prize in Medicine, which was announced to the Japanese researcher Yoshinori Oshumi. So this person has been awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on autophagy, which is the fundamental process in the cells of all living organisms, by which the cells self-destroy some components, and that helps in recycling and rejuvenation also. So that is also important in understanding some prominent diseases which are present today in today's world, like Parkinson's disease, some forms of diabetes. So that will be a research which benefited that. That's why he has been awarded the Nobel Prize now for 2016. Now looking at each news item in detail. The first news item, the BSF Border Security Force, one important constable, Nitin Kumar, he stopped the designs of these terrorists in attacking the Baramulla base of army camp, and then he has lost his life too. But the terrorists who hurled grenades at this camp of the army fled because of the narrow alleys there, as it is said. But the attack has been foiled. There was some gunfiring for 2 hours, but that is it. So the tensions have not abated yet. The next news item is, so Karnataka has now decided to release water to Tamil Nadu. A large portion of it says that it will anyway be through wastage going through Tamil Nadu, and run of the river also results in much water going to Tamil Nadu. So as the Supreme Court had asked us to release 6,000 cusecs of water every day from October. So now it says that a part of it always through run of the river and through wastage is anyway going. So we are releasing some more water, and we are fulfilling Supreme Court's order. We'll see this issue is going to stretch further. The next news item is also related to that only, that the Kaveri Management Board, as mandated under the tribunal awarding, Kaveri Water Dispute Tribunal Award in 2009, that this should be done, has not yet been done by the Supreme Court. The Kaveri Management Board has not been set up. The Supreme Court has insisted that the center takes action and sets up this Kaveri Management Board, but the center now has taken a U-turn, and it says that Supreme Court has no jurisdiction, because actually for tribunal awards it is said that the award of the tribunal is final. There will be no appeal on this. But still the states appealed in the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court accepted these appeals under the special leave petition, which is an extraordinary power with the Supreme Court. Now center is claiming that even Supreme Court cannot mandate anything to the state of Karnataka, and neither to the center. It has no jurisdiction. So again it is stretching the dispute. Anyway, it is all politics too. The next news item is about pay panel recommendation. The modified assured career progression. This had been given forth by the 6th Pay Commission. had recommended this. The assured career progression program was already there. This scheme requires that there should be assured promotion after some span of time, especially to lower level scale employees, because otherwise the career is not appealing. So this has been modified and to some extent has been introduced for all central government employees, and it has been modified here in the sense that every 10 years, for a span of 30 years of service, one promotion will be assured, and it is said that this promotion will be only in the pay scale. So promotions based on merit will also take place, which is like a promotion which is due. That time you get a better higher post too, that would also accompany, but a promotion in the pay band will take place assuredly. So that is assured career progression. So this recommendation has been accepted. The 7th Pay Commission recommendation was also appraisal of the performance should be from good to very good, as it said, the 7th Pay Commission said. So that recommendation has also been accepted by the center now for promotions. The next news item is on National Green Tribunal. So it is asking whether the farmers are fulfilling the order of the adhering to the order of the National Green Tribunal that agricultural residue should not be disposed of by burning. So the state governments also have to assist the farmers in some technology through technology intervention to reuse, recycle and put them to productive use, these agricultural waste. So that is the thing. They have asked every state government to file reports in front of it now. So this is affecting the climate. So National Green Tribunal has a say here. Spectrum, we saw that day 2, no bidding in the premium 700 MHz band clearly indicates that the operators are not ready to commit investments to the overpriced band with underdeveloped ecosystems. Whether they will get a market or not right now is not sure. So this is about the radio spectrum, the band which is put under auction. Some part of the spectrum is used for radio broadcasting, some for cell phones, some for satellite TVs. This is the entire spectrum. This gives you in terms of frequency also. Radio wave spectrum is here. Okay. The next news item is about Reliance joint venture, giving it an edge, joint venture with Dassault Aviation of France, which is the maker of the Rafale fighter aircrafts. So here also offset clause will result in Dassault having to provide at least about 30,000 crore to its partners here. So Reliance will be one major partner in this deal. The next news item, FARC peace deal being rejected. So again, because this deal was rejected because it was said to be very lenient to the FARC terrorists, they would be incorporated into the army. So they would be incorporated into the army. They would not be prosecuted for war crimes, and also they would be allowed to contest elections, presidential elections in 2018. Plus they would have 10% seats, unelected seats reserved in the legislature, the Congress there, guaranteed till 2026. So, and also they have admitted themselves to have committed crimes like trafficking of drugs, recruiting minors, committing human rights abuses, massacres have been committed by them. They have also admitted this, but there will be no prosecution. So, of course, the deal is considered to be lenient to them. So, it has been rejected. So, the way ahead may be a new deal being brokered. Even FARC leader has clearly said that we will go ahead with peace only. We don't want to go back to arms. So, maybe a new peace deal is brokered, and whether it is put to voting or not is another matter. The next news item is about Putin scrapping the plutonium disposal deal. As I said about the START treaty, START and New START treaties which have been signed. So, it will affect that. So, there will be arms reduction, means they will be destroying their nuclear weapons, arms and stockpiles under this. So, reducing that. The last news item about the Nobel Prize in Medicine. So, it has been awarded for understanding the process of autophagy, which is the fundamental process for degrading and recycling cellular components. So, the cell components which are unwanted are enclosed in membranes called autophagosomes, and then they are sent to the recycling compartment, lysosomes. This is an important process in understanding the process of aging and understanding various prominent diseases presently like Parkinson's and it will also link to certain cancer processes. So this research will help in finding solutions to these diseases as well. So you can read all these news items on the website also. Thank you.